What do you use after you leave the sun? After a long day on the water, your skin has been beat from the wind, the sun, the reflection, and you need to hydrate, you need to repair, and you need to neutralize free radicals with antioxidants. Step 2 is the anti-aging daily after sun skin repair lotion, which is very incredible, and you don't need to use it only after the sun. I use it every morning, for example, and it's very lightweight and incredible. So before first use, it's sealed, so you need to unscrew the cap and then remove the silver foil. Then you rescrew the cap and it's ready for action. And you can use this very generously. So that is enough for more than my face. And it spreads very nicely. I may also be glistening from sweat. So use this much for a full arm. And you can see that the sunscreen is totally absorbed and rubbed in on the arms. And then this is the lotion, which is hydrating and fantastic and very lightweight and dries very quickly as well. All Harken Derm products are engineered to have very secure caps. So after opening, in order to close, you press your thumb in the center and wait for the click, and then you know it's closed. You can also just bump it, which works as well. And then once you hear the click, you know it's secure.